How do you sign 5 new stinking SMA clients within this week?
How do I sign new clients, Jordan?
I'm always getting this question, and don't get me wrong guys, it is a great question, especially if you are a beginner. How to sign new clients. Jordan, how do I sign new clients as a beginner? I just started my agency. How do I sign a new client? How do I get my first 5 client? And look guys, I had the same question for a couple months too, and I never just understood the answer, right? So in this video, I'm just gonna cut it straight forward and give you guys the recipe to sign 5 stinking new SMA clients this week, or maybe this month. Hopefully the sooner the later for you guys, but nonetheless it's gonna work super well for you if even if you are just a beginner, okay, with no casing, no testimonials, whatever it is, this is gonna work for you because it did work for myself. All right, so the first step, this is what you guys gotta do. Okay, super simple. Before I give you this first step, I just want to remind you guys, just take a quick second and drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel. I almost forgot to just let you guys know that. I really do appreciate all the feedback and just the positivity that you guys drop in the comment section below, whether it's a hello, good morning, how is your weather, great content video. I really do appreciate your guys' support and things like that. So shout out to you guys, and shout out to the new people that have joined me on this video in this channel. Welcome to the channel. My name is Jordan. Anyways, first step guys is to understand that where your clients are hanging out at. Okay, you need to do some client research. You need to understand where your clients are hanging out, where your ideal clients are hanging out, what it is that they want, and what their terminology is, and what are their pain points. Okay, so maybe those are the 4 things that you need to understand. So first things first, before you even reach out to clients, you need to do a little bit of research. Okay, do a little bit of groundwork and understand what it is that your clients wants are, and what their pain points are. Okay, so let me give you guys some examples of that. Wants, right? Everyone wants the same thing. They want more money. How do they get more money? They want more customers. Okay, but not just customers, right? We can't really generate customers. We can generate leads, but the closest thing that we can get to a customer is a high quality lead. All right, and the way that I've been doing that is offering Google ads, because when someone is searching for something on Google, they are more likely, they have the intention to hire or purchase that product or service when they're actively seeking it on Google, compared to Facebook, where most people are going on there to look at cats and dogs and funny meme videos, right? So that's how, number one, that's how we get our clients their wants, right? To generate some high quality leads through Google ads, not Facebook ads. That is not what we do. And then the second thing is understanding what their pain points are, right? So maybe their pain points is, they've tried other things in the past and it didn't work, right? So we want to figure out what didn't work for them. Okay, so maybe they've done SEO, or maybe they've done Facebook ads, they've done word of mouth, passing out flyers on the corner, whatever it is, right? So you gotta understand what their pain points are, because now we can use that as ammunition for, hey, that is not what we do, and you are leaving a whole lot of money on the table because you did that, and you're not seeing results, right? And this is how we're going to help you, right? So they want to get from point A to point B. They're doing a bunch of things over here, and it's keeping them in point A, right? They don't know how to get to point B. So by addressing what they're doing here in point A, the reason why they're not getting to point B is because they're doing point A stuff. So in order to get from point A to point B, they need to use you as the bridge to that gap, and that's how they're going to buy it from you. Okay, so that's just some like extra bonus stuff right there. But essentially guys, it's understanding where your clients are hanging out as well. So are they on Instagram? Are they on what Facebook groups are they in? What LinkedIn groups are they in? Are they on LinkedIn? Because some people aren't on LinkedIn. Myself, I do have a LinkedIn account, but I'm not actively using LinkedIn. Maybe I should, but I'm not, right? Are they on YouTube? Where are they at? Okay, so for example, let's just say, hypothetically speaking, your ideal clients are realtors, right? Realtors love to be on the phone. They love to talk to people, right? And maybe a lawyer, if you want to talk to a lawyer, well, they don't like talking on the phone unless you're paying them to talk on the phone, right? So there's two different people. If you're gonna call a lawyer up and sell your services, chances are you're probably not gonna talk to the lawyer, you're gonna talk to the gatekeeper, and the gatekeeper is gonna tell you, yeah, we're gonna relay the message to the business owner, we'll get back to you within the day, and you never hear from them again, okay? So that's gonna happen. But if you call up a realtor, most likely they're going to pick up the phone because they enjoy talking to people, right? They need to talk to people to make money, get more clients coming in, okay? So understand those two types of clients, right? And then understanding where they're hanging out at. So they might be on Instagram, what Facebook groups are in, join those Facebook groups, adding them as friends, reaching out to them. At the end of the day, what you want to do is start talking to people, right? Start networking, start putting yourself out there. The more people that you talk to, the more chances you're going to get at landing a client, okay? So that goes to focusing on volume, right? You might not be the best salesperson, closer, talker, whatever it is. I sure wasn't when I first started out. And what I understood was I needed to reach out to more people. I needed to talk to more people. So, you know, implementing some automation softwares if you need to. There's software such as Gmass, Mailshake, Replyify, Lemlist, right? I'm not sponsored by any of this. That's why I didn't really remember. But those are automation softwares for emails. There's automation softwares for LinkedIn. There's automation softwares for Instagram, Facebook, for everything for you to reach out to your prospects and send your message at a high volume, right? The other thing you can also do besides automation softwares is hiring virtual assistants. And you can find virtual assistants from Upwork.com, onlinejobs.ph. You can find it on freelancer.com. You can find them in Facebook groups such as mine. You can join it for free, and the link is in the description. All the resources are always there for you to check out, join, whatever it is that you need. It's all in there. And virtual assistants will help you. You can delegate those tasks, those tedious, repetitive tasks to your virtual assistants, and you'll be able to get more done, right? You can just pay the virtual assistant and they'll take care of everything. Virtual assistants, they really only cost about $3 to $5 an hour for something like this, maybe even less. You can negotiate, but it's very inexpensive, okay? So you can do that and send the messages out. Now, the big question is, okay, Jordan, I'm sending out a whole bunch of messages. I'm sending out hundreds to thousands of messages to my ideal client because I figured out that they are very active on Instagram. They always, you know, they're always checking the DMs because that's how they get their clients. And so we're sliding in through a bunch of DMs. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my tutorial on how to get more appointments, land more clients using my DM script, check it out on my YouTube channel, okay? It's been a killer. It's one of my more popular videos on my channel where I just give you the step-by-step tutorial walkthrough along with my DM script, my exact script that I send, and it's been landing me more appointments, and a lot of people that has used it has been landing them appointments. So if you haven't checked that out, check out the video, okay? So back to what I was saying, we're sliding through a bunch of DMs, but Jordan,
I don't know what to say. What should I say? What is my angle? How do I get them to hop on the phone with me?
All right, so this video is about how to sign 5 clients in this thinking week, right? So what you gotta do as a beginner too. So what you gotta do is reach out to people in the form of a free trial, okay? This is what I did when I first started out, when I had no experience, no case studies, whatever it was. What I did was I emailed everybody in my local area, and then eventually we expanded, but my core message was offering a free trial, okay? That was what the message, the theme was about. It'd go along the lines of, hi business owner, hi Sarah from Athletics Med, whatever it is. My name is Jordan. I'm reaching out because I wanted to do a free volunteer to grow my digital marketing portfolio in exchange for a video testimonial, right? And that always sparks a conversation because people always love free stuff, right? So as a digital marketer, you're reaching out, you know, you want to grow your portfolio, whatever it is, get more experience, whatever it is. The theme is around this free volunteer, free trial, okay? And it's gonna get your foot in the door. And a lot of people are gonna take you up on that offer, okay? You just gotta reach out to enough people. A lot of people are gonna take you up on that offer. And during this 1 to 2 to 4 week trial, whatever it is that you decide to do, I personally just did a 2-week free trial. And one of two things are gonna happen, okay? or maybe both things might happen. Number one, you're going to get awesome results during this free trial and you're going to sign them on as a new client, okay? Best case scenario, you offer the 2-week free trial. They just love what you do and they're cool with your pricing and all that good stuff, and you land them as a client. Actually, that's what I did recently. Even as a established agency owner, you know, I still offered a trial because I was trying to land this big client, and it worked. It ended up working for me really good during that 2-week free trial or 10-day free trial. So that's what I would do. And so you land them as a client, and you get a video testimonial out of it because you made them promise that in exchange for this 2-week free trial, because I'm trying to grow my portfolio, in exchange for that video testimonial. Okay, so best case scenario, you land them as a client and you get a video testimonial out of it, okay? And that video testimonial and case studies, experience that comes along with it is gonna go so far with you, because now you can use that exact steps. You can now have case studies and video testimonials, and you have assets to use to land your second, your third, your fourth, your fifth client, okay? Now let's just say you don't get awesome results, or maybe the client doesn't want to sign on with you for whatever reason. Worst case scenario, I guess, is they still are going to give you a video testimonial. It might not be the best one, but if you can still get a business owner to hop on, you know, a call or create a video for you saying, hey, you know, Jordan did XYZ as he promised, you know, he did our website or Google ads or Facebook ads or whatever it is that you offered a free trial for, that's still very valuable, okay? There are gonna be times where you get awesome results, and there's gonna be times where you don't get great results, but if you can still get a video testimony out of it, it's still a dub in the books, all right? So best case scenario, you get a client and a video testimonial. Worst case scenario, you just get a decent video testimonial. Now, what's going to happen is with these testimonials and case studies, you now have to show with your second, third, fourth, and so forth clients. And so when you reach out to these people, you're offering free trials, but now you got assets to show them, right? Now more people are going to be likely to take you up on your offer. And the same thing is going to happen, rinse and repeat, okay? So one of those two things is going to happen. They're going to either become a client and give you a video testimonial, or they don't want to move forward and they just give you a video testimonial, okay? So now you're just going to have, you know, a full bank of just, you know, results, case studies that you can share. You're gonna have a bunch of video testimonials that you can share with your future clients and things like that. Right, here's what we did for our last client that's just like you. You know, here's the exact results that we got for this client that's just like you, okay? And for a free trial, it's very simple, guys, and I would just rinse and repeat that until you get your, you know, first 5 clients. It is so easy, okay? So easy to just get those free, just offering free trials, get your foot in the door, get your results, get your experience, and land your first 5 clients, okay? And throughout this process, you're going to feel more confident, okay? Because now you're gonna have some clients, you got some testimonials, you got some assets. You know, you're going to decide maybe after the 3rd client, after your first 3 free trial clients, on the 4th client, you might not even wanna do the free trial anymore, because you know what you're worth, okay? You know that you can get results. You know that, you know, the first 3 clients, you were able to generate X amount of results, X amount of revenue dollars for them. Your services are no longer valued at free. Your services are no longer valued at a discounted price. You're now more confident in yourself to deliver results, and because of that, you're going to feel that you're going to be able to charge more. You value your services a lot more. So instead of doing free trials, you can just say, hey, you know, we got X results, same as you. Here are the testimonials, here are the case studies, here are the results. It's gonna be $1,500, it's gonna be $2,000, it's gonna be $2,500 for that month, okay? And at $2,000 and $2,500 a month, you only need about 4 to 5 clients to hit your 10K a month goal, right? I know for most of you, and I know for myself, when I first started out, the goal was 10K a month. So guys, that is how you sign 5 stinking new SMA clients, you know, possibly this week, depending on, you know, how quickly you move, how many people you're reaching out to, or maybe this month. Realistically, you know, if you're going at an average pace this month, if you just start reaching out to a bunch of business owners, whether it's through the DMs, the Facebook groups, the emails, the cold calls, however you like your method is, and, you know, wherever your clients are hanging out, reach out, offer the free trial in exchange for a video testimonial. Remember, you're not selling on your services whatsoever. You're selling on the free trial and the video testimonial, okay? And signing them on as a paying client is just a bonus and a cherry on top, right? So just remember that, and that's how you're gonna sign 5 stinking new SMA clients even as a beginner for your business. And if you thought this video was helpful whatsoever, drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Got a lot of cool fun stuff to share with you going into the new year and things like that. Drop a comment, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.